like working with Teen Innovators because I like this opportunity to make connections with students. I just think that it's a really great thing for them to have someone to look up to. And I think that younger teens like this program because they can learn a lot of leadership skills and public speaking, especially with like the whole making the pitch and everything. A lot of students don't have those resources and people to always tell them that. And so I think that Teen Innovators is a great way for them to learn confidence in public speaking and leadership skills.
I like working with Teen Innovators because it's an opportunity to expand on my leadership skills, and also through mentoring, I get to learn from the people I'm mentoring. I think that younger teens will like our program because they're in a phase in the age where they have to like find themselves, and I think it's an opportunity having a mentor gives better guidance and like leadership, and gives them a direction to go to.
I'm Danny, and I feel like Teen Innovators could have helped me when I was a younger teen. So I feel like it's a great cause, and helping teens